Imagine eating breakfast, lunch, dinner, and dessert for the entire week, all for under 16 bucks. With grocery prices being absolutely insane, I know that sounds impossible. And before you say, Rose, I don't eat plant-based, well, stick with me because these recipes work for everyone. And I'm about to show you how to cut your grocery bill in half. I used to spend over $200 a week on groceries until I discovered this method. Today, I'm going to show you how to prep 19 meals plus 18 cookies without breaking the budget. We've got carrot cake overnight oats that taste like dessert for breakfast, a crunchy pasta salad, crispy tofu veggie stir fry, Mexican rice and beans, and chewy oatmeal raisin cookies, my favorite. Whether you're plant-based, flexitarian, or just trying to save money, these affordable recipes prove that eating well doesn't have to break the bank. Stick with me to the end because I'll break down exactly how much you'll save compared to eating out. And trust me, when you see these numbers, you'll never want to spend $15 on an entree again. Let's kick things off with overnight oats. Each glass costs just 50 cents and honestly tastes like dessert for breakfast, which is exactly what you need on a Monday morning. Make these on Sunday, and breakfast is covered all week for just $2.50 total. You can even pop these in the microwave for a warm, comforting breakfast or treat. For lunch, we're making my famous budget-friendly pasta salad. Literally, everyone asked for this recipe. This big bowl makes 6 hearty servings. That's lunch for the work week at only 70 cents a serving. While others spend $12 on delivery, you're eating for the whole week. If you're loving these budget-friendly meals, you'll definitely want to check out my brand new Plant Some Pennies meal plan. It's packed with affordable, delicious recipes just like these, all for under $5 total. I break down the cost, give you meal prep tips, and even show you how to turn leftovers into brand new meals so nothing goes to waste. You can grab it right now through the link below and start saving money while eating plant-based. Dinner number 1 is a classic veggie stir-fry with golden crispy tofu and rice. Here's my secret to restaurant quality tofu at home. Press it, cube it, then get that pan screaming hot. Four big servings for just $1 each. Feel free to add your favorite protein. These flavors work with everything. Our second dinner ideal is this smoky, restaurant-style Mexican rice and bean skillet. All made in one pot and super easy. I sauteed the veggies and they're nice and tender, but before we add our beans and rice, I'm gonna add a secret ingredient that's gonna make it taste more like a restaurant quality. And that ingredient is tomato paste. So most people like to just put it right in and just stir it together. But what we're gonna do is cook some of that rawness out. We're gonna add about 2 tablespoons. Let that rawness cook out on the side of your pan because it'll give it a more richer flavor. A filling, flavorful meal for just 75 cents a serving. That's 4 more dinners done, all on a budget. And because I refuse to meal prep without dessert, because really, what's life without dessert? We're going to be making an incredible batch of these delicious, chewy oatmeal raisin cookies. This recipe makes 18 perfect cookies for just $1.88 total. That's about 10 cents each. Sweet, cinnamony, and absolutely perfect for snacks all week long. Now for some grocery store hacks. Shop the outer edges of the store first, produce, dairies, and meats, where fresh, whole foods are located. The inner aisles contains more processed, expensive items. This keeps you focused on budget-friendly whole ingredients. Always check the unit price on shelf tags rather than just the package price. Larger packages aren't always cheaper per unit. This is especially helpful for pantry staples like beans, grains, and spices. Shop 1 to 2 hours before closing time when stores often mark down perishables like produce, bakery items, and sometimes dairy. Many stores have predictable markdown schedules. Ask customer service when they typically discount items. Before we wrap up, here are my 3 meal prep storage hacks to keep everything fresh all week. Number 1, store wet and dry ingredients separately for your pasta salad until serving day. Number 2, these overnight oats get better after day 2. The flavors meld together much better. Number 3, reheat your stir fry in a hot skillet, not in a microwave. This will keep your veggies from getting soggy. If this video helped you, then here's what I need you to do. Save this video to your meal prep playlist so you can find it before grocery shopping. And grab my complete budget-friendly cookbook down below. It has over 150 recipes that I'm sure you'll enjoy. And smash that subscribe button because next week I'm going to make budget-friendly sweets that I know you're not going to want to miss. Speaking of which, if you want more budget-friendly meals, then check out my playlist. and I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.